is it, Ollie? Is that Nugget? Is that Nugget? Is that a chicken? Oh, baby. I know, sweetheart. We're gonna go to the vet today, okay? Alright, let's go. I know. Ready to go, sweetheart? No, you're not ready. I know. Welcome back at Tony's place. Good morning, everybody. Today I'm gonna take Nugget to the vet. I could not help her any further, and it just breaks my heart. But the liquid out of her crop was coming out, but the stuff inside the crop would not move. It was loose because I was massaging it. It's not hard like a rock, so it's moving, but it's just not coming out. So I just don't want her to suffer anymore, and she's not happy being in the cage. So I'm gonna go ahead and also, take her to the vet. And another note, yesterday, I was early in the morning. I was sitting in the sunroom and I looked out the window. I was watching the chickens, and I noticed Snugglebug. She looked like rolled her in the dirt in her face and everything. So what is going on? So I checked her and said, "Oh, you're fine." Then I noticed the chickens were picking on her too. So I said, "Okay, something ain't right." So I went outside and I checked on her, and her eye was completely shut and looked like dry blood and around it and around the wattles and everything. So I said, "Oh my goodness." And messing with the eyes, I am not going to even go there. So I grabbed her, put her in a crate and took her to the vet. And she, the vet did finally get her eye open with some solution and some cream, and then put some stuff in her eye to help her. And she's going to be on a ointment for 5 days, twice a day. So, and instead of putting her back with the other chicken, I'll put her in the basement because otherwise she's fine. So I put her in the other small enclosure, and I fixed all the netting and everything so she, can get out and nothing can get into her. So, but yes, 2 chickens in 2 days. It's a little lot, but you got to deal with it. What you can. It is foggy. It's supposed to rain today, so it's not going to be a fun day today. But the chickens are out roaming around the chicken yard, and they are happy as can be to be out of the cage. And hopefully we won't get as much rain because so we want everything to get silken white again. So off we go to the vet. What do you think, girl? Okay, let's just go. We're almost here, baby girl. Here we go. So, there's not too many cars here right now, so that's a good sign. But the doctor's not going to be until 8 o'clock, so that's a good thing. But there's not a lot of cars here, so we're going to the Mineral Wells Animal Clinic and get my girl out and get her taken care of. And there you go. We're here, baby girl. I know. Get that camera out of my face. I don't want it. But she's been good. She's a good traveler. She's been real quiet the whole time. So let's go get her. Got Nugget back from the vet, and she is still a little woozy right now. She has an impact crop, and she had, believe it or not, but she had a lot of hair in the grass in there. The grass I can understand, but the hair, I have no idea where she got all that hair from. And there was a lot of it, so either it could be maybe like from a possum or something like that, because Tutty does not lose that much hair. So she gonna have to take it slow for the next couple days. And if she will turn around, come on, turn around, baby. Can you turn around? There you go. So I got a little spot right here in the area, and she's gonna be on soft food and yogurt and things that she can eat, but that's not going to irritate her throat very much. And her crop is still kind of hanging, so it's going to flop a little bit, so I'm going to have to keep an eye on it. So, but yes, I'm kind of in a dilemma too, because next week we're going to the tractor show, and if she's not better, but then I'm going to have to board her and have somebody keep an eye on her, because I really don't know what other thing I can do, because I would feel really bad if I just have to put her back out there by herself, being, you know, unattended and not being kept an eye on. So it's just, you know, we're just going to take one day at a time, aren't you, girl? Just one day at a time. Yeah, go get you some water and I'll get you some food, okay? Here's some water. Drink some water. Drink some water. Come on. You make it higher a little bit. Okay, and go rest a little bit, okay? I'll be back in just a little bit. I'm glad you're okay, sweetheart. Yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. I'll keep you all updated on Nugget, and also what I've done. I used that big dog crate, and I put a towel on the bottom of this, and I used doggy pad training pads over it. That will, you know, it'd be easier to change out when I need it. So but yeah, she has her going to be by herself out here, so she's going to be by herself over here, but I'm going to check on her a lot and keep her company, and even sometimes even bring her upstairs with me. So but for right now, she just need a rest, and just hopefully. So Snugglebuck is doing much better. Her eye is looking much better. She's not happy to be in here, but it's for her own safety and give her time to heal in her eye. So come on, get in here. Come on, sweet girl. I'm gonna put your drops in your eye, when you cream in your eye, and then you can come out, okay? I know, I'm sorry. Let's get you drops in your eye, okay? I know, sweetheart. It's looking much better. Here. It's looking much, much better. Other eye, please. I can see. Good girl. Good girl. You don't like that stuff in your eye. I get it. I get it. Come on, switch around. No, 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 no. Stop. Let's put you down for a minute so I can do this better. There you go. That's much better. Alright, you can go. I'm sorry. Alright. You okay? Are you alright? So I'm going to go ahead and let her back out. And like I said, overall she's okay. I just need to make sure we put the cream in her eyes. And she's going to be good. Twice a day for about 5 days. So it's 3 more days. And she's good to go. She don't need the medicine anymore. And no, Snuggle. Snugglebug, you want to eat some food first? Okay, let me go get you some food. And then you can come out, okay? I'll be right back. Out here, it's really warm, feeling for February, but it feels like definitely like rain in the air. So here we go. Here we go. You want some mealworms, baby girl? Come on. Come on. Come here. Teddy, you better get down. Get down. 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 Down, 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 down. Quit climbing up there. That cat is crazy, I swear. Go eat your mealworms and I'll let you out, okay? Let's go get the water changed out and fill the feeder up. We're getting ready to go on a trip, and that's something I have to do before I leave, and I'm just going to get a head start. How are you getting back up there? You need to get down. Either it's one up on the enclosure, now you're back on top of the tarp on the chicken run. You need to come down from there. Hey, you need to come down from there. Come on, you need to come down. Come on. Come on, girl. Tut tut. Come on. You need to come down. You gonna slide off? Come on, let's get you down. Come here. Come here. Come here. You need to come down. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, look closer so I can get you. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Are you showing off? Are you showing off, huh? Well, come on, baby girl. Come on. Come on so I can get you. All right, here we go. Oh, here we go. Crazy cat. All right. Let's get everybody situated and get the coop cleaned. And we're going to go ahead and let Snugglebug back outside. There she goes. Back outside and got her freedom. Let's see how she does with the other chickens. There she goes. You gotta go the other way if you want to go out the fencing. Come on, Snugglebug. Come on, Snugglebug. Snuggle. Snugglebug, come on. You gotta go the other way. Girlfriend, come on. Lacey. Carmel. I guess you'll figure it out. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. She said, I'm gonna go check inside the coop. There she goes. Snuggle. Hi, sweet girl. I said, ooh, leftover salad. I'm gonna give me some. You think you're gonna get something else, sweetheart? No, that's it. I'll give you some more salad later. So our grocery store had a sale going on for lettuce, and it was like 99 cents a head of lettuce. So I got a few of them to give to the chickens. So it's a little special treat for this cold weather and something crunchy and fresh. So they're happy about it. So anyway, having a sick chicken, you're just never ready for it. You never can plan for it, and you just don't know when it's going to happen. So the best thing you can do if you want to be prepared, have a place for your chickens to go in case something does happen, and you have a safe place that she can rest, has quiet, and just recoup. So I will let y'all know how things going with Nugget, and she's doing good so far, so I'm really happy about that. And as soon as she gets better and her crop is not as wobbly right here, I'm going to go ahead and the stitch is all healed up. I'm going to go put her in this run here in this coop area so she at least can be back outside with the other chickens. But you know, we're not there yet, so we're going to have to go out of town in a few days, and we are just you know, everything was so time crunched, but I had to get it done. So what I'm going to do, in case she's not ready to go back outside with the other chickens, I will take her to be boarded for a week, and so she will be able to be taken care of, and she still has time to heal, and you know, she can recoup from all this stuff. So taking a chance for her and her crop, you know, to get right again, and that she may have another one in the future, because the vet said that it can happen again. So maybe it cannot. It just depends on the chicken. Well, Dolly did not do well with it. She actually passed because of that, and I had to put her to sleep. And that was a sad day for me because I love that chicken. But I'm hoping that with her it's going to be different, and praying for the good outcome, and that she can be out here with her sisters again and enjoy life. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will keep you updated. God bless. Bye.